Ayan na, mega effective yung Instagram ads nyo. Oh my gosh. Okay, so finally, after 2 weeks, i-unbox na natin yung SMEG ko. So, let's start now. So, this is it! Hindi na ako kita. Pero anyway, first of all, ang ganda ng paper bag nila. O, diba? Minimalist lang. SMEG. Ang ganda lang. Oh my gosh, ang bigat. I need muscle. What? Woo! Okay, now I'm done with you. Thank you very much. Malaki pa rin yung box, so igaganon ko siya. Yan, ihihiga natin and i-unbox natin together. Ginagamit ko yung table knife. It's probably not the best, but oh my gosh. Okay, this is it. Kung ano ang laman. Sandalan. See? It's... Wait, paano ko tatanggalin? Yun. Ay, excuse pala doon sa mga tao sa likod. Don't mind them. Tuloy ang laban. Wow! So, this is it. It's the SMEG ESPRESSO machine. So, picture mo na tayo for thumbnail. Okay, now let's open together. Nakaka-excite. Oh, first of all, I am very happy that they're not using styrofoam. Instead, they're using paper. Oh. Parang ano, lagayan ng itlog. Ang ganda ng box ha. Ang ganda ng color. And hindi ko nababasahin yung mga nandito. So yeah. So of course, the manuals. Meron silang dalawa. This is Italian. This is, I think, English. Oh, Italian pa rin. Italian everything. Oh my gosh. Wala bang English nito? For sure meron yan. Ay, meron nga. Hindi pa din wala. So we have the... What's this by the way? First time kong bumili ng ganito, so hindi ko alam kung anong mga tawag dito. But I think this is for the coffee grounds. And then we have the accessories. 1, 2. Okay, I think this is for double shot, single shot. Sana nakikita niyo yung nakikita ko. But open this together. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! I got the mint green, or they call this pastel green, pero it's actually mint green. I am so happy. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. Bago ko masira lahat. Ito pala yung, ano bang tawag? Hindi ko alam. Dito mo ilalagay yung coffee grounds mo para ilagay yung coffee. Oh my gosh! Ang pretty! Ang ganda! Oh my gosh! Ang gorgeous niya, aminin nyo. It's super pretty and super bagay siya sa kusina namin because of the color. Obviously, mint green yung cabinets namin. That is the reason why I got this color. Initially, I really wanted the cream because it looks very sophisticated. Ganda lang, ganun, and madaling bagayan. But I realized I wanted something na hindi naman agaw pansin. Kasi hindi naman siya mag-aagaw pansin because ganito naman yung kulay ng cabinets namin. But I wanted something na unique in terms of kitchen appliances or appliances in general. And there's no other unique color than this color. It's mint green. Maganda rin yung mga pink nila, pastel blue, pero ang ganda lang kasi talaga nitong green. We don't see this everywhere, diba? Like, pag pupunta ka ng mga appliance store, wala lang, maarte lang ako. So, I am so happy. It's so gorgeous. Ang pretty niya. Gagamitin ba natin to today? Hindi ko alam kasi sabi ko unboxing lang tong gagawin ko. Initially, gusto ko talaga dapat yung Latissima ng Nespresso. But then, na-realize ko, if I'm gonna think about long-term, hindi siya sustainable because of the pods. Kasi hindi biodegradable yung pods nila. And, it takes 500 years bago ma-decompose yung pods. This is just based sa mga articles na nabasa ko online. Kasi bago ako bumili nito, nag-research muna ako kung worth it ba siya, kumusta yung mga reviews, okay ba? Kasi I don't wanna spend or throw away money, tapos hindi pala okay. Actually, marami pa akong gustong bilhin sa SMEG na mga appliances, but ito muna for now, and this is perfect, the color is perfect. This is perfect. I actually have a coffee maker here in the house. It's from DeLonghi. Okay naman siya. This is drip coffee maker. But mahilig kasi ako sa cappuccino, flat white, latte. Pero na-realize ko hindi ko kayang i-achieve yung mga ganong coffee gamit tong drip. I don't know why. Baka hindi lang ako marunong. So naisip ko, bibili ako nung Latissima, yung cappuccino maker ng Nespresso. Kasi instant ganyan. But then again, sinabi ko nga parang in the long term, hindi nga siya sustainable. So I opted for something manual na lang. But hindi ko talaga plano bumili ng manual until nakita ko yung SMEG. As in, bigla na lang siya napakita sa akin sa Instagram. Instagram ads, ayan na, SMEG, effective yung Instagram ads nyo. Ayan, napabili ako. Nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, oh my gosh, ang ganda ng itsura nito. Kasi usually, yung mga espresso maker, medyo bulky, very manly, parang, alam mo yung industrial yung feel. And then, for me, okay na sana yung Nespresso Latissima kasi parang medyo, kahit papano, chic siya. But then, nung nakita ko to, naligwak talaga sa akin si Nespresso. This is way better design-wise, for me personally. Syempre, it's all, subjective. Depende sa preference nyo. Kung preference nyo yung Nespresso, instant, ganyan. Wala kayong time mag-brew ng coffee nyo, ng espresso nyo, why not? I'm not against it. Actually, may mga murang Nespresso for as low as 6,000 pesos. Makakabili ka na ng Nespresso. 6K, 7, 8, 9, mga ganon. Sobrang mura, pero wala siyang cappuccino maker. This one kasi meron siyang steamer. This one, meron siyang steamer ba tawag dito, or frother. So you can make cappuccino, latte, flat white if you want. But then, kailangan ko pa siyang aralin kasi para ako mag-aaral ng pagiging barista. Kasi hindi ko pa alam paano. So, sabay-sabay tayong mag-learn ng bagong lesson for this season. And that is how to make cappuccino or the art of making coffee. So actually, that's the perfect phrase for this. This is not for those na gustong instant. This is for those na gusto or na-appreciate yung art of making coffee, like the Italian way. So yes, this is an Italian brand. SMEG is known for their fridge, mga refrigerators, and mga ganon. Actually, I really wanted the ref, pero I realized parang hindi siya practical kasi super mahal talaga niya. And then, we just got the latest Samsung na fridge, and hindi naman kami nagsisi, napakaganda niya, and everyone talks about it. Lahat ng bisita namin na-amaze sa kanya because, anyway, this is not about Samsung fridge. I'm gonna make a review siguro later, whatever, hindi ko alam kailan, but okay, so story time lang kung paano ko siya nabili. So initially, wala talaga akong plano bumili ng espresso maker or cappuccino maker. But nung December, meron akong 30,000 extra na binigay ni Justin and sabi niya, bumili daw ako ng anything for myself for Christmas. But then, that time, ang gusto ko talagang bilhin is Hermes.
Social!
Of course, 30,000 is not enough. So this is my first ever SMEG appliance. I still have plans to buy more SMEG appliance. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Maybe toaster, blender, or yung ang dami. Gusto ko lahat. Namatay na naman yung camera ko. Anyway, as you all know, retro 50s yung theme talaga ng kitchen namin. Retro na contemporary. So hindi talaga siya as in literal retro. May pagka-modern pa rin siya, pero I want to incorporate retro appliance, retro finish colors sa kitchen namin. So that's why I got this. I don't know which appliances ang kukunin ko next time. Ano sa tingin nyo ang kukunin ko next time? Let me know in the comment section down below. I am thinking of, wala pa kasi akong coffee grinder. Pwede yon. Or yung stand mixer nila. Although naisip ko, hindi kasi ako masyadong nagbe-bake. Pero gusto ko yung stand mixer kasi meron silang mga accessories for ice cream maker, pasta maker, like iba-iba. And feeling ko, gusto ko siya. Baka hindi ko masyado siya magagamit pa, pero malay mo, baka one day maging interesado ako sa pag-bake. So, if ever mangyari yon, I'm pretty sure that SMEG is my number one choice over other brands in the market because I just love SMEG. I love their design, especially their retro appliances. Meron din pa silang mga modern appliances like mga modern fridge, mga oven, counters, mga cooking range, ganun. As in, meron din silang modern, pero mas famous lang sila sa retro nila na appliances. Let me know, help me decide kasi hindi ko pa alam kung ano kukunin ko. I think that's it for today's vlog. I'll see you tomorrow sa ating daily vlog and let me know in the comments what you think and bye!